Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 17 and 18 of class 6 subject GK. Chapter 17, Guess Who. Here is a quiz on and famous personalities. Let's see how many can you guess. First one, he was a famous Italian explorer, navigator and colonizer. It is claimed that he was discoverer of America, while this is still debatable. He is Christopher Columbus. So write Christopher Christopher Columbus Columbus. Second one, he was a famous British comic actor and a filmmaker who rose to fame in the silent era of films. He is Charlie Chaplin. So write Charlie Chaplin Chaplin. Third one, he was an Indian musician who was best known for his compositions on the sitar. He has won 3 Grammy Awards. He was Ravi Shankar. So write Ravi Shanker Shankar. Fourth one, it is said that in 1960s, this Punjabi-based Hindustani classical vocalist demanded 25,000 rupees per song, whereas legendary singers like Lata Mangeshkar charged only rupees 500 per song. He is Bade Ghulam Ali Sahab. Okay, so write BADE Bade GHULM Ghulam ALI Ali SAHEB Sahib. Okay, SHAB Sahib. Now, fifth one, he is an American astronaut with Indian origin who holds the record of total space walks by a woman and most space walk time for a woman. She is Sunita Williams. So write SUNITA Sunita WILLIAMS Williams. Sixth one, he was an Italian motor racing driver and entrepreneur. He is the founder of the most famous Grand Prix racing team and automobile brand. He is Enzo Ferrari. So write Enzo FERRARI Ferrari. Okay, coming to the page 23, chapter number 18. Famous Indian artist. Okay children, now we have many distinguished artists who have their own distinctive trends and contribution to the Indian culture. Given below are the pictures of some famous artists. Write their names under their picture. Use the hint box. So, first one is Bhimsen Joshi. So, write the spelling BHIMSEN Bhimsen JOSHI Joshi. Second one, it is Zakir Hussain. So, write ZAKIR Zakir HUSSAIN Hussain. Third one is Pandit Jasraj. So write PTJASRAJ Jasraj. Fourth one, he is Amjad Ali Khan. So write the spelling everyone. AMJAD Amjad, ALI Ali, KHAN Khan. Fifth one, he is Satish Gujral. So write SATISH Satish GUJRAL Gujral. Okay. Sixth one, she is Malaika Sarabhai. So write MALLIKA Malaika SARABHAI Sarabhai. Seventh one, it is Jatin Das. So write JATIN Jatin DAS Das. Eighth one, it is Yamini Krishnamurthy. So write YAMINI Yamini KRISHNA Krishnamurthy MURTHY. Last but not the least, she is Lata Mangeshkar. So write LATA Lata MANGESHKAR. So children, you have to complete chapter number 17 on page number 22 and chapter number 18 on page 23. In this, you have to learn the names of these famous personality, and in this you have to learn the names of the famous Indian artists. Okay children, thank you.